What up guys, this is Pastor Canary again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript, and we're going to be talking about do while loop. We just talked about in a previous video about while loop. The while loop checks the condition at the beginning. With do while loop checks the condition at the end, which means it will execute first the body or the block of code first, and then we'll check the condition at the end. So let's do an example. We have let's just do let counter or count. Let's just do one semicolon, and let's just do curly brackets right here, and then what you wanna execute in the body. Let's just do console dialog, and then right here we're going to do counter, and then we end with the semicolon, and then we do the increment counter plus plus plus, no that, and then right here we do the condition while, and then we just do counter less than 5. Yeah, and that should be good. Okay, let's save it, and just finish with the semicolon right there, and then let's just refresh the browser. Okay, that's what we have, 1 2 3 4. So what's happening right here is that first will execute anything in those color brackets, like the body of the block of code first. For example, we have the counter is equals to 1, so we got 1 right here, and then it will increment to 2, and then it will check. So it's 2 less than 5. Yes, it will keep checking until that becomes false, and then it will stop, and then we'll have 1 2 3 and 4 values right here. Alright guys, that was just a quick video, and hopefully this can help you. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Alright, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.